Today's project, vintage SABRE Ireland gentleman's folding pocket knife. Ended up grabbing this at a yard sale not too long ago. Rust everywhere, inside and out, including the blades. Now this is high carbon steel. A little stiff. So what I plan on doing is doing a refurbish. I'm going to clean her out, take her all apart, make her new again. Now the first thing I like to do is use the right tools, of course. And there's these little flabs right in here. And you just have to pry them. Like so. I'll just do that one like that, and then go with a small screwdriver and just bend it just a tiny bit like that. And then the other side. There you go. And then pry it like that. Now it should come off just like that. Oh, I got one side out. There we go, finally. Alright, so get that out. Now the next thing to do is the fun part. Alright, so now time to take off these pins. So I don't like wasting time over there drilling and tapping it out. What I do is I go right to the 2x72, by the way, that I made. Shout out to that. And quickly grind it off. Each end is going to be nice and simple. Just got to be careful over here and not to damage this here, these sections, because that's where your scale is going to go onto. So let's do this. Alright, let's put you over here to the vise. Shout out to the vise. This vise came a long way. This vise used to be in Massachusetts. That's where I obtained it. Went to Virginia. And now it's in Florida. Alright, so what we're going to do is set that over there. Shout out to this tool. It's always comes in handy. Right? And I just like to place it right in the middle. And then lightly hit it. And don't go all the way down with this one. Just like that. As you can see, only the top part came out, but the pin's still inside. And do the same for this one. Just like that. And the middle, you can just take it right out of there. So in this case, don't want to ruin these, remember that. Turn it this way. Middle. And there we go. And as you can see, that is a shortcut to just take it completely apart. Here's what I like to do, guys. I like to take a photo. So when I'm building it back up, if I don't remember something, I can just come to the phone, look at the photo real quick, and then proceed. Alright, so we're going to get rid of that. And you can see all that rust right on that spring. See that? We're going to fix all that. Okay, once again. Okay. So now, she's completely taken apart. Alright, here we go. Let that sit overnight, come back first thing in the morning, see what happens. Alright, it's currently the next day. Look at that. All that rust floating to the top, sides. See how this looks. Oh yeah. Ah, so that was a coating. That wasn't even brass. here I was thinking that this was brass, and look at it, it's just a coating of brass. There's the blade. Oh yeah, coming right off. Look at that. Okay. Let's see what else we have in here. The spring. Another one. Spacer. Let's take a look at. Let's take a closer look at this. This one appears to be kind of. This one might be brass. Nope, that's steel. I'm trying to bend it, and yeah, if it was brass, it would just bend. So, and here's the other liner. And yeah, you can tell right there, even when I ground it, it was two different shades. Alright, so that's that. There should be two more blades in here. That's going to look good, that one. And last one. Not bad. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean off all this and then go from there. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do until I clean it off and look at the material. Maybe I'll grind it, put a nice fresh surface grind on here. Oh yeah, I think there's pins in here. What do you think? Yep. Good luck searching, right? It's just pins and rods and recycled items to be recycled all over the place. I don't know what I'm going to use. I don't know what's in here. But I got to dig. And I'm thinking, this one's too thick. Look at my nails, man. Jesus Christ, got all kinds of dirt inside of it. It's the worst, especially when you're dealing with women, right? Love these pins right here, aerospace pins. Very light weight. And they were amazingly strong. Get some more there. I don't know, let me look off camera. It's gonna be a while. Actually, you know what? I think I just found something. I might get away with this one here. This little brass. Alright, let's do this. Got some nice compound in here. Alright, assembly time. Good old assembly, right? Alright, let's see what we have here. We're going to go with, I think it was this one? Yeah, that goes on the outside. This goes on the inside. Actually, so I think I have to go with this one. I know I have to go with this one here. And then it was the blade? Yeah. So the blade. Okay, like that, and then this here, like that. Let me make sure that that looks right. Okay, I can get that. No, so something's wrong. Okay, so maybe I have it upside down. There we go. That's looking better, but no. So that's telling me that it's this one. So let's take a look at that. Yep, that's the one. Okay, and then that goes like this here. Okay, and then that goes there. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to start inserting the pins. So, got some pins here. Now why isn't this going in? Oh, because I didn't grind it good enough. You guys talk amongst yourselves. I'll be right back. Alright. Let's see what we have here. I don't know what's going on, but it's the right rod. This is the piece that I obtained. Let me double check that. Oh, you son of a bitch. I know exactly what happened. So I went by the inside diameter of the blade. Right? Check that out. And the outside is not the same. These here. See that? That's a shitty design that they did, huh? So this hole here and this here, yeah, and you can tell right there, smaller. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna go drill these out. Let me double check this one here. And of course, I've got to drill these as well. Yeah, shout out to that. Alright, time to drill these bad boys. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so for the pin up top, very hard to do it by hand. So you put it on a vise, it makes things a lot easier. Alright, finally got it all assembled. Well, at least this part. Yeah, that was a pain in the ass. Not fun whatsoever. Man, this thing is stiff right now. That's okay. Fix that up at the end. Now the next thing is the other side. Wiggle it in, okay, and then I can just leave it open, but this has to go up. So just gotta pry that a little bit and then slide the blade down like so. Alright, that's an easy part. Now the hard part, look at all that tension on this one. Holy shit. See that? So now, this one has got to come way up. And hopefully I don't scratch, and I already did there. It's okay. It's the inside. And if we scratch anymore, we'll fix it. Alright, it's close. Okay, what am I messing up here now? On. Holy shit. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, now I'm just going to go with the hammer and knock this down so it can sit flush. That's it. Alright, so at this point, that's how I'm looking. And now, let me make sure that I'm right here. Hold on. This way? Yeah. Okay. Right there. Right here. Okay, I'm getting closer to the goal. Okay, so the next thing I have to do is I have to cut this, back off on that one. This one's going to be alright. Shave that one off and then crimp them all. And then we'll go to the scales. So it's looking pretty good. So we'll do that. This one here I'm just going to back off a little bit. Okay, like that. And then just like that. Okay, same thing on this side. Oh, wait. Okay, there you go. All lubricated. Just working it in before I put it all back together. By the way, my wheel breaking in very nicely, as you can see. I think another month, tops 2, it'll be just the way I want it. Time to put on edge on all these 3 blades. Let's do this.
she's completed. Nice little fun project. Polished her all up. Scales are looking on point. All lubricated throughout the inside. Very clean. Still left the character marks on there on the blades. Just ground the surface. Give it a few passes. As you can see, all that old stuff still on there. I didn't do anything to the ricasso back. You can see original stamp mark, etc. Nice edge, nice and sharp. Let's see how she cuts. Pretty good. Same with that blade. And the last one. This one's a little harder to come out, but it's doable. By the way, it's nice and tight. Okay. This one as well. You see that secondary edge looking on point. Same with that one. And of course, the main blade. Inside, nice and clean, oiled up. That one snaps with authority. This one butts up against that one a bit, but it goes in. I did fix it. It was worse than that. And the main blade looking on point. If anyone's interested, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at, full-time at Full Throttle. Or you can go to the About page here and email me. Again, these are fun projects right here. Love doing these. If anybody has anything that they want to send in, it needs repair, I'm willing to do so. Again, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. You guys and gals have a good one. I'm out of here. Cheers.